This station is conducting a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency broadcasting system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. This station serves the Atlanta area. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system.
This is a test. KMBC-TV is conducting a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. KMBC-TV serves the Kansas City area. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system.
Fazoli's new chicken panini sandwiches on real focaccia bread bring out the Italian in everyone. Fazoli's, everyone's Italian.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. The data tones you just heard are used in the emergency alert system. KCCI Channel 8 serves the Des Moines operational area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
I'm his mother.
Carol, it's one night. If nothing happens, you pick him up in the morning.
Wait a minute.
You said the unsub has abandonment issues. Ed Craig Raymond was leaving town, right?
Yeah.
Message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Sioux Falls residents west of Interstate 29 must stop water usage immediately. Please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, and using showers. Only use water for drinking purposes. Water does not need to be boiled. Discontinue all other uses of water. There is an issue with the sanitary source system, which may cause sewer backups in the affected area. Potential sewer backups will occur from an area bounded to the north, from the North Minnesota Avenue water plant to the south by 26th Street. The eastern boundary is along Minnesota Avenue, and the western boundary along Western Avenue. Residents in the affected area should work to move critical items from their basements to higher elevations until Public Works can fix the problem. In addition, sanitary sewage is being discharged into the Big Sioux River south of West 12th Street. Residents should stay out of the Big Sioux River and parks adjacent to the river, including bike trails. Discharges into Cavell Lake and Overland north of Falls Park are also occurring. Residents are advised to stay out of these areas.
We're gonna need you to come with us.
Why? What's this about?
It's just for tonight. It's for your protection.
So, I get the big neck, and you get the
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, emergency information messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Richmond extended area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Survivors, when you...
Plankton! Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. F is for friends who do stuff.
Never! That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it!
N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait, I don't understand this.